अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम फिज़िक्स के मैंने 100% गेस पेपर आप लोग के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ। तो अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नहीं हो, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें एंड लाइक करें, ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स। एंड चलिए अपनी वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। जो मेन आपका गोल है वो मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि सबसे पहले मैं आपके पास मैंने अपना ये आपके साथ मैं गेस पेपर शेयर करूँ। ठीक है, मैं आपको क्वेश्चन बता देती हूँ कि सबसे पहले शो दैट सेकंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन इज डायमेंशनली करेक्ट और अ वेक्टर हैविंग मैग्नीट्यूड 5.5 न्यूटन मेक 10 degree with x-axis and vector r with magnitude 4.3 meter makes 80 with x-axis. What is the magnitude of their dot and cross product? Show that a dot b square plus a cross b square is equal to a square b square. Prove that work done in gravitational field is zero if the path is closed. For specific velocity of projection, prove that the maximum range is equal to 4 times of the corresponding height. Derive a relation of kinetic energy in terms of work energy principle. What is the value of angular acceleration of minute hand of a wristwatch? Why is this used in an airplane? A V-shaped space station provides an artificial gravity of 5 meters per second to its inhalation if it has a diameter of 100 meters, finding angular speed in RPM. Distinguish between turbulent and streamlined flow. Working of atomic zero show that E is equal to angle V divided by AR. How can I convert it? Real gas into ideal gas. Mathematically, the coffee filled in thermos is vigorously shaken. Has any work being done on coffee? Does the temperature of coffee rise? Does coffee get heat from outside? Can sound wave polarize? Explain. Explain and derive change in frequency when a sound source moves towards a stationary observer. Define elastic potential energy and derive its relation. Limitation of Coulomb's law. Air passenger touch the knob of toilet door during flight. He may get an electric shock. Why it is so? It is dangerous to stand close to rail track when a rapidly moving computer train passes. Explain why when a car is driven a certain distance, why does the gas pressure increase in the tire rise? Why the slope of adiabatic curve is steeper than slope of isothermal curve? Is there a transfer of energy through a medium when a stationary wave is produced? And explain. Two turning forks of frequency 440 Hz and 437 Hz are rounded together. How many beats will be Hz over a period of 10 seconds? A heat engine work between freezing and boiling point, water point efficiency. Explain Gale-Laskus law. A hole is drilled at the bottom of full bucket of water of height. What will the velocity of water that exists from the hole? Find the angular projection of projectile from which the maximum height corresponding range are equal. ये थे हमारे पास शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस। तो आप लोगों ने अपने न्यूमेरिकल्स पे भी फोकस करना है एंड अपने कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन पे भी फोकस करना है आप लोगों ने, ठीक है। अब चलते हैं सेक्शन सी लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन की तरफ। व्हाट इज सेंट्रीपिटल एक्सेलरेशन एंड सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स? डिराइव देयर इक्वेशन। Also show the equation in angular form. Derive mathematical equation of continuity and how equation of continuity is based upon the conservation of mass. Define and derive expression for angular momentum of body. Also deduce relation between angular momentum and torque. Define projectile motion, draw a diagram and derive mathematical equation for maximum height attained, time of flight, range of projectile. Explain and derive first harmonic and generalize the relation for the waves produce stress string. What is meant by propeller effect? Discuss its cases that its source is at rest and listener is moving, the source is moving and listener is at rest. Explain the working of refrigerator with the help of diagram. Also explain the coefficient performance of refrigerator. A car having a total mass of 150 kg is traveling at a speed of 40 km through a straight path. How much work will be required to stop a car if its brake fail and engine turn off? So ये हमारे पास थे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस। तो ये 100% गैस पेपर है, इंशाल्लाह यहीं से पेपर आएगा। ये एक और भी गैस पेपर है, इसमें कुछ क्वेश्चन सेम हैं, बाकी कुछ डिफरेंट है, तो आप इसको भी रीड कर लें। एंड अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें एंड कीप वॉचिंग एंड थैंक यू एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़।